Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this meeting, I will explain my article, and the title is Analysis of Mathematical Creative Thinking Test Instrument on Open-Ended Problem with Ethnomathematic Nuance. Okay, the first introduction. Yeah. The developing of technology in the digital era it is currently growing faster. So, this is great flexibility for the student to be dishonest, yeah, especially in the test. So, the teacher are expected to be able to develop test instrument. And then open-ended problem are one of the solutions to this problem because open-ended problem requires students to find several different solutions or settlement strategy. And then the open-ended problem can be create the creativity thinking ability. And then ethnomathematics, yeah, can be develop mathematical creative thinking skill. Therefore, the preparation of the mathematical creative thinking test instrument should include ethnomathematical nuance so that the expect mathematical creative thinking can be actually applied by student. And then research method. The data used in this study are qualitative data in the form of the content validity test set and review set question and qualitative data in the form of student answer. The subject used in this study were students of the mathematics education study program. And the aspect of the creative thinking used in this study consists of fluency, flexibility, elaboration, and originality. The test method used to collect data on the mathematical creative thinking skill in a essay test. And then this is the scoring rubric of the mathematical creative thinking test. This is for originality, aspect, flexibility, elaboration, and fluency. Okay, the next result and discussion. This is the first problem, open-ended problem. Yeah, the number 1 and number 2. So the test instrument to measure mathematical creative thinking skill in aspect fluency. Students are expected to be able to mention the various shape and characteristic of shape in the batik motif. And in question number 3 is a mathematical creative thinking test instrument to measure elaboration aspect. Students are expected to be able to apply a Venn diagram based on the property of a two-dimensional figure. Therefore, students must able to detail the similarity and difference in the property of each shape mentioned by student in question 1 and 2. And then this is the picture 2, so open-ended problem with ethnomathematic nuance to measure the flexibility aspect. The design open-ended problem can be worked with the various statement strategy. Students can determine the ratio of the area between with several problem-solving steps. And then flexibility, namely using a variety of problem-solving strategy. Therefore, the flexibility mark refer to the number of different categories of ideas and the different approaches to a certain problem. Okay, and the last problem, yeah. So an open-ended problem with automatic nuance to measure aspect of originality. Student draw batik design by explaining condition given. Student will get hex score if the batik design made are original, unique, and in according with previous previous of the question. Okay, and then this is the result validity test. Yeah, you can look in the table, and this is so that the 5 questions on the mathematical creative thinking test are valid. Well, the reliability test, this is the score is higher, the reliability there are table so that the mathematical creative thinking test instrument is reliable. And then, according to Ditasona, that all the type of problem have such potential to measure mathematical creative thinking skill. And then, this is research state that the kind of problem that have potential to develop student creative thinking ability in an open problem. Therefore, the mathematical creative thinking test instrument developed in this study is an open-ended question with the ethno-mathematical nuance. The ethno-mathematical element in this test instrument is by analyzing batik as Indonesia cultural heritage. Modification shaped into batik design in addition to preserving culture can also foster student creativity. Okay, this is my presentation and I hope this is can be used for all of us. Thank you very much and see you.